adapted by Mary Sebag Montefiore, illustrated by Ablett, and published by Usborne. Chapter 1. Nobody's Baby. Take care of him. The young mother's whisper was as soft as the swirling snow outside, her face as white as the sheet that covered her. Feebly she touched her newborn son, breathed a last sigh, and closed her eyes. "She's dead," announced Mrs. Mann, the midwife. "What a nuisance! I have to get Mr. Bumble." Mr. Bumble was in charge of the workhouse, a cold, grim place for the homeless, without a spark of comfort or a crumb of nourishing food. He didn't care if the inmates starved, as long as his own tummy felt warm and full 3 times a day. Quickly, Mrs. Mann unclasped a golden locker from the dead woman's neck and put it around her own. Opening it, she read the name Agnes engraved inside. "Another orphan brat," raged Mr. Bumble when he saw the baby. "Who is he anyway?" "Who knows?" Mrs. Mann yawned. "His mother walked in yesterday off the street. She must have walked some distance. Her shoes were worn out. Good-looking girl, too." "He must have a name," Mr. Bumble thought hard. "Well, I name all orphans alphabetically, and the last one was Smith, so he can be Twist. Oliver Twist." "Oh, Mr. Bumble, you are so clever," smiled Mrs. Mann, fluttering her eyelashes at him. She wrapped Oliver in a scrap of cloth yellowed with age. Oliver opened his mouth and roared with all the force of his baby's lungs. If he'd understood he was an orphan, loved by no one, he would have cried even louder. So, if you would like to know how the story ends, borrow and read the book from the library, children. I hope you enjoyed the story today. I will see you again with another book.